Hey, what up, guys? John here with LinksWell, and I'm super excited to introduce to you our brand new Jeep JK IQ2 11.5-inch radio hitting the market soon. That's right, JK owners. We have heard your plea for a radio, and well, we got one for you. An 11.5-inch horizontal mount for those of you who have the air vents down below. We wanted to make sure that we could keep your AC working because it's California, it's Florida, it's Arizona, it's hot, right? You want that AC. But let me tell you about this JK IQ2 radio that's coming out. We're talking plug and play install, factory fit bezels in there to give you an 11.5-inch screen. Now, we're going to give you everything you want in an aftermarket radio, plus a couple extra things. The fact that we are an Android-based radio means all of your beautiful off-roading apps that you love to put on your tablet, you don't need them on your tablet no more because you're going to install them straight to your radio. So your off-road mapping, whether that is OnX, whether it's Gaia, whether it's Trails Off-Road, whatever your on-road, off-road mapping preference is, put it on the radio. Use it right there. Perhaps you need to control some off-road lights. You want to be able to put that on the screen, control your off-road lights, do all of the stuff, DVR cameras, control cameras in there, front and rear, look at the axle, so many options, and then pump up that audio system because we're going to give you front, rear, sub, and center RCA pre-outs. We're going to give you a toss link output. We're going to give you USB, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, the ability to go into the Google Play Store, SIM card option, so you can actually give the radio service anytime you want to, and use it as a hotspot for devices in the Jeep. I'm telling you guys, there's not a radio on the market for your Jeep JK that can touch what this IQ2 is going to be for you. You're going to want to check this thing out. If you have a Jeep JK and you've been thinking, what am I going to put in there? I'm telling you, the IQ2 is the radio that you want in your Jeep JK. So if you have a JK and you're thinking, how do I get my hands on one of these IQ2s? Check out our website, www.linkswellinc.com. You can find a dealer information there. And as always, check out our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for some videos, some tutorials, and some ideas of what else you might be able to pull off with a LinksWell radio. That's it, guys. Jeep JK, you want it, you need it, we have it. Check us out.